We will create a vector portrait. File New. Start a new document with dimensions based on your personal preference. File Place. Import your photo, position it, and then size it precisely. Name the image Photo and make several copies. Go to Window, Image Trace to open the panel. Select a copy of the photo. On the Image Trace panel, go to Mode and choose Color. Go to Palette and choose Full Tone. Passes to 1%, corners to 0%, and noise to 100 pixels. Color to 20. Then press Preview. If you like the result, go to Object, Image Trace, Expand to turn this image into passes. This will be the low resolution color separation. For medium resolution reference, passes to 50, corners to 50, and noise to 50. Color to 30. Then press Preview. Object, Image Trace, Expand. For high-resolution reference, passes to 50 and noise to 50. Set color to 50, corners to 100, preview, object, image trace, expand. We'll start with the eyes, using the original photo as reference. Make sure Draw Behind is enabled. Create a pass using the pencil tool and then use eyedropper tool to pick a color. Moving on to the larger areas, you can also use image trace separations to guide you. For eyebrows, start with an overall shape and use it as clipping pass later. Then create the eyebrows pattern. Go to Object, Clipping Mask, Make to hide everything outside the clipping pass. Use the same techniques for the other eye and eyebrows. For the skin areas, the medium image trace provides the best pattern. After the eyes and eyebrows are blocked in, fine-tune the passes so that they flow together nicely. Next, block in the tip of the nose and the lips following the photo. Once an area is blocked in, fine-tune the pattern. With the eyes, nose, and mouth blocked in, next we'll work on the skin areas using the medium image trace. Remember, the goal is to create a smooth and refined portrait using the image trace separation only as the starting point. Don't duplicate the rough pattern as is. For eyelashes, create custom brushes using the technique we went over in this class, or you can download and import my brushes using the link provided. For more details on drawing eyelashes, watch the first video at the top of the portrait assignment page. After all of the elements are blocked in, I typically go through several rounds of fine-tuning, adjusting passes, and adding details until I'm satisfied. I hope you learned something useful watching this video. Have fun creating your own masterpiece.